Honey, have a seat.
All right, ready?
Ready, go.
Ready? Go get the eggs. Go get
Go
the
get your
eggs.
food.
Go get them.
Ben,
Good
hey,
boy,
Ben,
Guiness.
come on. Ben,
Did you see that? He picked up one and dropped it for the other one.
good boy, Ben.
You should have seen him try to get
Oh,
that
what's
out.
this? Right there. Good boy.
You got one. Oh, there's another one.
Benny, hurry up.
There's another one. Oh, go over there. Oh, there's another one there. That's empty. That one's empty. Gnu got that one. What's this? Benny. Benny, what's this?
Did you get another one?
He can't get this.
Good job, bud.
I'm your son.
Snap it open.
Benny, steal his. Steal his. Good boy. Good boy, Stout.
There's another one.
This one's open.
Oh, oh, what's this? What's this? What's it? What's this?
His whole nose is in it. He's like, hey.
Oh, yeah.
It's covered. It's open. Dad.
Look at this way.
Dad, look at that.
Little guy. You got one there? He's got one. Okay. Hey, hey. What's this? What's this? Hey, what's this? What's that? What's that? Oh, what's that? Oh, what's that one? Oh, that does get them there. Oh, yeah, you get that. That's it.
In your purse.
Don't watch me.
Stout. Stout, come here.
Watch it. There he goes. Can he go down?
Here's Stout. Here. Here you go. Look at it. What's that?
Oh, okay.
There's let's go.
Where's another one?
Benny, cleaning up with you, go. Benny, what's this? Hey, Ben. What's this? This isn't here.
Oh, Stout, what's this? What's this? What's this? What's this, Stout? What's that? Stout, what's in there?
Good job, Guinness.
What's that, Stout?
Oh,
What's this? Here it is, look. Oh, there it is. Uh-oh. Was it a treat? You missed the treat. Oh! Guinness got the treat.
Got the treat.
Just like home, you try and give Stout a treat and Guinness is
Guinness is
on.
right there.
Oh, there's one over here.
Show.
Guinness, Guinness, what's that? Oh, there you go.
Oh.
A whole bunch.
Guinness snaps them open. Benny, come here, Benny, look. Benny, Benny, what's this, Benny? What's this?
One over here, too.
Oh.
There's one over
Oh.
There's 3 over here. Benny, there's a whole bunch over here. There's some
Stout.
over there.
Benny, what's that?
What's that pink one? What's that? Oh, you get
Stout.
that one,
Oh,
Stout.
that's
Get
really
it, Stout.
Stout.
Here's one. Here's a couple.
Come here, Stout.
Oh, you found
Stout.
one.
Ben, what's this?
Stout.
Oh, Guinness got it.
Stout.
What's this, Benny? What's this?
Stout.
What's this, honey? What's this? What's this? Guinness.
Where,
Guinness. What's this? Right there in the snow.
Oh,
Yeah.
Did he get it?
Good job, bud.
I love Easter.
Did you get the treat out of there?
Yep,
There's
you got
another
it.
one.
Good.
Oh.
Oh,
There's an edge.
Fell off the step.
I'll have to step on one side. He didn't care.
going to town through those?
Yeah.
Yep, he snaps them open.
He tried. He's like, oh, not
Guinness.
Oh, Guinness has got one underneath there.
Missing some.
Guinness has got one under here.
Stout got one finally.
There's still a bazillion over here.
Oh, is that one, Benny? Guinness? Get that one, Guinness.
Whoa. Benny.
Oh,
Stout.
he got that one open.
Good job, Guinness.
What's this, Guinness? Guinness, what's this?
Ben can get that one open. No, he'll do it.
It is.
He's got it. He snapped it over. Yeah, but he didn't. He missed the treat. He got it. He got it.
Are you gonna pick it up?
He got the treat.
Oh, there. I picked it up. Oh, yay! Slobbery eggs.
Oh, there.
What's this? Nice and slobbery. This one. Good boys. Oh,
He got that open with a puppy's got leaves. He says, "I'll get that leaf."
oh, a leaf.
Benny, open that one.
Guinness. What's this? What's this one? There you go. In the snow. In the snow.
Yeah, forget the treat.
There you go. You
I
get
like
it?
the boxes.
Yeah.
There you go. Bud.
He doesn't want to get in the snow to get it. Oh! He got it.
Yay! Well, I see at least 2 more. 3, 4, 4 more.
Oh! Oh!
I didn't go to the edge. Don't go to the neighbor's yard.
Yeah, it's down there.
Uh-oh.
Benny, there's one over here.
Did it land underneath?
There's one there.
Oh! He got the treat. He was laying there and Stout missed it. And Guinness got it.
We're interested in the plastic egg.
Yeah.
He doesn't care about the food. He just wants the eggs. As a toy.
Here, Stout. Stout. Here, Brian.
Look, Guinness is going under the tree.
Stout. Stout.
Stout.
Come here. You're Stout. You're Stout.
What's this, boys? What's this one?
Well, Ben, I think that's it.
Guinness.
Guinness.
Where?
Here.
Oh, Guinness is on it.
Here you go.
Oh, Stout doesn't see the treat.
Nope. Courtney's got one over there, but
There's one down here.
Is that a Stout one?
It is a Stout one.
That's it, Ben. That's it. You eat it all.
You want to grab it and give it to Stout?
Okay.
Stout.
Stout. Stout. Stout. Stout. Stout. You still learning that, hey?
Yeah.
That's your name. Go get that one.
He put his paw on his jumping up.
Good job, Benny.
No. We let Stout have that one.
Throw it back that way. Put it over the edge.
Yeah. Here, Guinness.
Get it. Yep, he says.
Grr. Guinness knows there's still food in that one. He's like, come on. Get it. Oh,
Guinness is.
I'll say whatever. I don't care.
yeah.
Stout
I
just
got
wants
another
one. I got one.
Benny's still looking for more.
Hey, Ben.
I'll check
I
all
think they're all
these.
done, boys.
Okay. What's that?
Are you refilling them?
Stout.
Okay, what's that?
Forget it. You
don't
got
think they had enough already?
There we go.
Yay. Good Easter egg hunt.
Stout.
The breeze caught one of them and blew over.
Aw, that was so much
A
fun.
lot of fun.
Okay, let's put a couple more in. Count as there's a couple.
Benny. Oh no.
No, I just stuck it back together.
Oh shoot. Free for all. That one's massive.
Oh, stop it.
That's enough.
Ben.
That's enough. No, that's enough.
Ben.
No, it's enough.
Oh, that one
Guinness
open.
cut enough too. Oh, there you go.
Well, he just had like 12 treats. He doesn't need any more on your head. Give him that one and let it be there.
No. There's one more. That pink one has something in it.
Oh.
Benny, stop being a pig.
Okay, one more.
No.
Leave the bag where it is.
I have one in my hand, guys.
Put it back in the bag. The bag was sealable. Open the bag. Put the treat in it.
That's true.
But Ben knows it's in my hand.
Who cares?
I think Stout learned that that's the treat, Grandma. He just jumped up and took it. Right at it. No more. That's it.
All done.
Gilbert's got to stay out here to poop now.
Yeah.
No one can go in the house.
You're chickens.
Did he see that? He went to go jump.